Alright, guys. I know we've been here before, but the place had changed. This time, it, it'll be, it's the first stage of the sim is this, basic, what should I do for the first stage? A test! Maybe a, a combat test. It's not a real battle, it's training. How about you train with your partner? I mean, just train with any person you want. Who you want to train with? Him. And maybe the second stage. I tell you the second stage next. Just let me. Just train. Okay. Bricks. Rush. Lion. Lion stage 1. Don't kick a fairy. See, you know, master me. I, I learned a new move. Yay! This training is working. Alright, the train's over. Next opponent, him versus him for training. Brent. Jeez. Oh, where'd it go? You snapped in. Show me some other moves. Bounce. Oh, where'd it go? You got some skills, little man. Little beaver man. Brent, though.